beautiful education, beautiful health, beautiful people.
I love to be American!
America.
I'm fucking Canadian, this is like curling. This is for America, bitch.
Yeah, baby.
High five, brother.
Yeah. The perfect spot to hide from the cops. Look at this kid.
Weird. I'm just gonna keep the Mexican stuff.
We're out here for July 4th weekend.
Right in the harbor.
We're at a bar that has like a table in the middle, there's food around it. I love to be American! Yes!
She just went pee. All right, Herb Chambers. All the rich people coming into the Charles for the 4th. Genius advertising. Best city in America right here.
Let's go, baby. It's the best city ever. What has beautiful education, beautiful health, beautiful people? Nothing.
Nothing. Zero. Do not want cat.
Help! I've fallen and I can't get up.
Don't worry, help is on the way.
All right, Emily's incoming right now to the boat party. Cat is gonna cannonball her.
It's gonna be amazing.
It's gonna be amazing. Emily! Oh, he's getting ready. He's in position. I know, it's so sad. What a dickhead. Emily was unfazed. Want a burger? Firefighter one, I
Just pissing on me.
He's pissing. July 4th, 2024. I got a fucking lip Howdy, cowgirl.
America.
Click this 3 times in a row. Yeah.
July weekend 2024. Yo, if you don't vote for me, you ain't black.
If you have a problem figuring out whether you're for me or Trump, then you ain't black.
Best one yet.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I just lied to the camera. It's not the best one yet. The fireworks aren't until 10:30.
Yeah, so totally thinking about going down Herb Chambers and buying a new truck.
Hi, I'm Herb Chambers, and I know when you're shopping for a used vehicle, you have a lot of choices.
Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. They better have life vests. Dude, they don't have life vests, bro.
Have fun paying a fine.
Dude, they're getting pulled up on by the cops. Must be nice being a woman, Tori.
Women.
Women.
Dump them out, they'll be fine.
They would, absolutely.
You guys know that the legal limit on a kayak's the same as a car? He just threatened us with a DUI because we don't have life jackets on.
Our boat would beat the fuck out of you. Yo!
Oh, fucking shit throw.
Yeah, Timmy. America, baby. Oh! Here comes cameraman himself. Hey, brother. Of course, brother.
Yo, let's get on us. Come on. We have to.
Oh, that's fun.
What? Yeah! Yo! It's a better looking John Summit right here.
Hello, welcome to the girls' room.
The girls and the boys.
You fucking
Yeah!
welcome to the girls' room. Boys, tequila, go! Yes!
Tori!
In the past 4 months, Israel has repeatedly struck areas of southern Lebanon, it says, that have links to Hezbollah.
Yo, that's the box. Blast.
We'll do that fucking later.
Don't play with Baker, bro. Baker don't play no games.
I'm fucking Canadian. This is like curling.
Yo, it's handsome Squidward, bro. Really getting pulled up on? Look at this. Look at this. Fucking pigs. Oink, oink, oink. They're pulling up on America's Day of Freedom. This is insane.
Drivers on board, ready to go. Drivers on board.
Absolutely. We don't fucking talk to pigs, bro. Hey. There it is, there it is. That shit was shaking.
Why don't I do that? I never taught her that.
Look at this, look at this finger.
Blown away by what you said.
Let me toss my vape.
Good job, Jakey.
This is for America, bitch.
This is fucking America, bro.
Them good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, saying this will be the day that I die. This is Worthy's World right here. Worthy's World. Best YouTube channel on the fucking internet. Hey, see that like button? Yeah, like it.
Like it.
See that subscribe button? It's lighting up in rainbows right now. Subscribe.
Hate it.
You see that comment fucking thing? Yeah, comment because it's the man. Spanish or English, last one to move's gay.
Black 4 2024.
Yeah, baby.
Yes, sir. Come on. It's Jakey the Shock. Jakey the Shock. It's Jakey the Shock. Hey, look at Alex.
What the fuck is
Look at this girl. Look at this girl.
What is that?
Look at her.
I put it.
Oh. God bless America. Shout out the 4th. We're in Boston right now, July 4th, 2024. Okay? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Is that Zeke? Story? Oh my gosh. What?
We're not friends, we're fucking brothers. Here to support my boy and his mother, Cheryl, and his grandmother.
You fucked me over.
I fucked you over. I fucked you over.
Channeling into the radio? No way, is this what they do the fireworks for? What? It sounds like Jurassic Park, bro. What?
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
It's the 4th of July. Yeah. Oh no way.
Oh, we were vibing.
Right on the America.
Justin.
God shed his grace on me.
America! Fuck you, sweet America!
You guys are all coupled up. It's so cute.
We met on this day last year.
No way. Are you fucking serious? Happy anniversary to both y'all, for real. Look at these cute couples all sitting together and shit. Mad romantic and cute. Siesta Key season 2, bitches. Season 2, baby. Coming soon.
America, say to shining seas.
Come on. It's so fucking cute. God bless.
God bless.
God bless the both of y'all.
God bless America. God bless Worth Wall Run.
I want to find love like that someday. It's super hard out here, chat. Come on. True love right here. Look at this. You guys are awesome.
Yes, sir.
Ladies, look at him up on Instagram if you want to holler at that, you know?
Yes, sir. E fucking underscore Rod 70, baby.
Hey, damn right. Touching me, touching you. Oh man, hold on. Bum, bum, bum. Times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. I can bum, bum, bum.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Happy 4th, kid.
Happy 4th.
Happy 4th.
All right, random people, we don't know you. Who are you?
Not yet.
Not yet? Look at this. Let's go. Fucking America. America makes this possible. This right here. Chad and Emily, how are we doing?
Doing great.
Random. We don't know y'all. How are the fireworks?
They're amazing.
Pretty good. AJ's got them. Look at him. What a gentleman.
I got one of the embers in my eye. We were so close.
No way. Really? That's awesome.
Hey.
Hey. Go for it. Here we go.
Chad and Emily?
Yeah. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Got some randoms on board. Good people, though. Good people. We did lose a kayak. It's literally right there. You see it? There's a kayak. It floated away. So, Chad and Emily are going to get it. Thank you, guys. Yeah, thank you.
Heroes.
Yeah, heroes right here.
Don't wear capes.
Yeah, appreciate it. That's it. Last man standing right here. America, obviously standing last. America never falls.
I'll show my nipples.
Look at this. Amazing. Squatted.
Say yeah.